Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's Andy here with another deep dive into the world of tech and gadgets. Today I'm genuinely excited to bring you a direct comparison between two of Edifier's standout speakers, the MR3 bookshelf studio monitors and the M60 multimedia speakers. Now you know me, I don't just review products, I live with them, test them out in real world scenarios and really get a feel for how they perform. These speakers are no exception. So let's dive in and see which ones might be best for your setup. And as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click for the latest notifications. First off, let's talk about design, because to be honest, we all love gear that not only sounds great, but looks fantastic too. The MR3 really caught my eye with its sleek bookshelf design. Those copper accents on the drivers and volume knob, pure class. It's compact, sturdy, and built with MDF cabinets that reduce vibrations. Plus, the weight of these speakers gives them a premium feel. Solid, but not too heavy. Now the M60 has its own charm, with handcrafted wooden cabinets that not only look great, but enhance the sound. It's a tiny bit smaller than the MR3, making it ideal for desktop setups or smaller spaces. Honestly, both speakers have their own vibe. The Edifier MR3 leans a bit more studio and professional, while the Edifier M60 has that elegant and modern aesthetic. Now setting up these bad boys was a breeze. With the Edifier MR3, I love the flexibility. It's got RCA inputs, TRS for professional audio setups, and Bluetooth 5.4 with multi-point connectivity. I could easily connect my laptop and phone at the same time, which is perfect for switching between work and play. The M60, on the other hand, offers Bluetooth 5.3, USB-C, and AUX inputs. It's just as easy to set up, but the MR3 takes the lead with more connectivity options and that seamless device switching feature. Now guys, let's get to what really matters, the sound. Both of these speakers blew me away, but they have their own personalities. The Edifier MR3 is all about precision. It's got 18 watts per channel, a 3.5 inch driver for mids and lows, and a 1 inch silk dome tweeter for those crisp highs that I know we all love. Listening to music on monitor mode was a revelation. It's like hearing every detail exactly as the artist intended. This mode is fantastic for editing my videos or mixing audio, and the clarity it delivers, guys, it's just unmatched. On the flip side, the M60 surprised me with its power. 66 watt RMS in total. The 1 inch silk dome tweeter and 3 inch aluminium diaphragm driver deliver a full, rich sound that filled the room. I took these speakers into my office, cranked up some of my favorite tracks, and let me tell you, it was like a mini concert. The DSP tech in the M60 keeps everything balanced, even at high volumes. So you're not getting that muddy or tinny sound you sometimes get with smaller speakers. And that LDAC support for high-res audio, absolute gold for streaming your favorite playlists. What really sets these apart though are the ways you can customize the sound. The MR3 pairs beautifully with the Edifier Connect app, letting you tweak EQ settings, acoustic tuning, and even the low-cut filter for those deep bass notes. I loved being able to adjust the sound to match my mood or the genre I was listening to. The M60 also works with the Edifier Connect app as well. But guys, what really stood out for me was its touch-sensitive control panel. Imagine it's late, the lights are dim, and you reach out, the backlight activates automatically, letting you control the speaker effortlessly. It's such a small detail, but one that really enhances the overall experience. Now let's talk real-world use, because as you know, I'm all about testing these products in actual scenarios. I had the MR3 set up in my editing room, and it was perfect for balancing audio tracks and reviewing my YouTube content. Monitor mode gave me that neutral sound profile I need when I'm fine-tuning a project. When I wasn't working, I'd switch to music mode and let the bass and treble boost take over. Wow, it was great for relaxing and vibing to my favorite playlists. On the other hand, the M60 made its home on my desktop. Whether I was answering emails, watching videos, or just filling space with music, it performed like a champ. Its compact design meant it doesn't take up much room, but the sound it delivers is anything but small. So which one would you pick? Honestly, it comes down to your needs. If you're looking for a speaker that can do it all, studio, work, casual listening, gaming, you name it, the MR3 is a fantastic choice. Its versatility and advanced connectivity make it a winner. But if you want a powerful, compact speaker that's perfect for music and smaller spaces, then guys, the Edifier M60 won't disappoint. Both speakers are a testament to Edifier's quality, commitment, and you really can't go wrong with either. And guys, we've got full reviews of each of these as well in the links below if you wish to check them out. We actually go through and unbox them and go through all the details as well. And we also do the Edifier Wi-Fi speaker setup too, which is really exciting. So guys, please let me know in comments which one you choose. If you had any experience with these models, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for exclusive discounts. And remember, we've got some amazing Edifier products up for grabs in our giveaway. Thanks for joining me here at the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.